ivatt running. Obviously 506 is currently being fixed. As of the time of recording, she's got her boiler back in her frames, so she's on the road to being fixed. But unfortunately she's going to go over to another railway to have one of their gala events this month. So she's going to go over on holiday and go and have her gala, and then she'll come back, and then hopefully by October for the Mid-Hants gala, we should have running obviously the visiting engines, which are to be announced for the autumn gala. Obviously you'll have then Canadian Pacific, 506 and potentially the ivatt, as well as the ivatt running. We don't know yet whether they're going to be doing driving experiences yet for the event or steam crane stuff, so keep your eyes peeled on their website. Okay guys, I'm your host A.C.E. Chase. Let's wait for Canadian Pacific or whatever loco is going to come from the Ropley direction towards Alresford, and let's have some fun. Catch you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Right, so the loco's just gone, two locos have just gone through up to Alresford, which is in that direction. We've got a diesel in front of it, and obviously the Thomas the Tank Engine locomotive without its face. Who could imagine Thomas the Tank Engine would be running without a face today? But yeah, the Blue Austerity is running, which is the steamy, and obviously the diesel behind it just to give it a bit of push, because obviously it's a tiny tank engine. We haven't yet known what's coming up from the Alton area, so once that's departed Alton at 10 to 11, we should be good. Obviously the Blue Austerity will come through first, up to Ropley, and then obviously they'll do the changeover at Ropley and send whichever loco's on for the Alton service will come sending back down. Hopefully it's Canadian Pacific, which is going to be a good one. Ideally it will be Canadian Pacific, because obviously it's steam engine. However, when I was driving here, I didn't see two sets of smoke, which normally indicates they've got two steamies on the service today. Normally I can see two. If it's a good day, I can see two. Unfortunately, I only saw one, which happened to be Blue Austerity. So it could be that Blue Austerity is the only steamy tank running today, which would be a shame really, because I want to see Canadian Pacific again doing with a Countryman headboard on, which will be good, because the last time I saw it was a long time ago. So yeah, sit back and relax. Hope you're having a good time. Let's carry on. That's the ivatt! I think that's the ivatt coming. Which means he's going to come in to another steamy. guys, welcome back. Right, that's for today's video. Thanks very much for watching. Obviously now we can confirm the blue austerity is running. That's already going up to Alton, and the ivatt's running as well. So who knew that? Who didn't even know that there were going to be two steamies running? I'm a happy bunny because it's cool. Obviously there's a diesel on the back of the blue austerity because blue austerity's ickle. It's only an ickle loco, so it needs help. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I was your host, A.C.E. Today we were in the Royal Press line, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.